Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is a 2010 Mercedes SLK200. It's petrol, it's automatic and it's in pristine condition as we can see here. It has NCT until the end of September 2022, it's freshly valeted and it has a full leather interior. With only 86,000 kilometres, which is just over 53,000 miles, this car is as you'd expect it to be for a low mileage car. It really is in excellent condition in every way. We are located close to the Red Cow on Killeen Road, Dublin 10. We are readily found on Google Maps, but please call me before you come to view. I'm Eugene, call me on 01 6260 722. I'll leave you with a walk around the car so you can better appreciate just how good this is. There are no marks or dents, no scrapes, it's perfect. Thanks for watching.